You're welcome once again over here on this platform. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to fix can't take screenshots due to security policy on WhatsApp. So if you want to take a screenshot on WhatsApp and it's not working well for you, then you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of it. So without wasting much time, then let's start. First of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone. So when you get to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search for your WhatsApp. So when you find your WhatsApp, just tap on it. And as you can see, we have two WhatsApp over here. And as you can see, this is WhatsApp Messenger and this is also WhatsApp Business. But in this video, I'll be using WhatsApp Business as well. You can also use or apply this same trick to WhatsApp Messenger if you are using that one. So let's tap on our WhatsApp Business. So when you tap on it and you come over here on your WhatsApp, what you have to do to take the screenshot, it's very simple. So as you can see, this is the picture you want to save. You get me? So immediately you go to your phone notification and you tap on your screenshot. It says what? Couldn't save screenshot, which means taking screenshot isn't allowed by the app or your organization. So taking screenshot is not allowed. So what you have to do to take this screenshot is very easy and simple. Just tap on it. But do you get me? So what you have to do is to just tap on the profile. Then after that, you go to your notification, tap on the screenshot, then you take a screenshot. Then after that, what you have to do is to just crop it like this. It's very easy, and when you tap on save, it's going to save on your device successfully. This is how to screenshot on WhatsApp without getting any problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.